Right, welcome back to a new barramundi video. We're at Lake Awoonga. We just got here, set up, and we've come up one of the arms. First time here, just to have a little frog on the weeds here. It looks very shallow in this little bit here, but it's a wide dam, pretty big. So just gonna have a look around and yeah, we'll see how we go. Got him! Got him! Oh, I thought he was way too small for my lure. He's not that big though. He came. Oh, it's a catfish. No way! It's a catfish. Listen to the noises he's making. Yeah. Catfish. Here we got a catfish. I got a catfish on that lure. Saw him at the bottom, and then he took it, and I was like, "Oh, this is tiny." Like, and then it came up, and it's a catfish. He's making noises. Like, I don't know if he'll do it, but his gut is so soft. But first ever catfish on that lure. Like, it's insane. It's making like weird noises, but yeah, I don't know. I guess get the hook out of here. Right back. There he goes. Straight down. Oh wow, we're just about to head in. It's calmed off now. Super windy before, big waves. So it was not that good. So we came over to the edge here and it was still windy. But we saw a few big ones, had a few follows. One came up for it, didn't take it. But then I got that catfish, which is pretty weird on a lure. It's like the lure's about half the size of it. But yeah, so it's pretty nice now. Gonna go out in the morning tomorrow. Nothing tonight except the catfish, but hopefully get some tomorrow. This is bit of weed somewhere. Got him though. Oh, I've got a catfish again. GoPro, start recording. Oh wait, no. Oh no, oh, I've got a barra. Yeah, I've got a barra. Didn't even see him. Oh. Oh. He's only like 60. First one for the morning, tiny little barra, well not tiny, 61, but there's the lure. Just out on the edge here near the bow ramp. Didn't even see this one, we were trying to get a big one and then this one just came up. There's a lot of weed and at the bottom here, so you just roll over. That's what I was doing and he just came up and got it. Not much fight, but then I thought it was a catfish at first and then he started taking line, so yeah, nice one, we'll get him back. Okay, we'll get him back. There he goes. Got him. Got him there, good one. We raced up for it. Just let him pull, make sure he drags.
Raced up, there's two of them onto it. Did the old speed up, just hope like hell.
Nice, Dad. It's good size. I've seen like, there's a school of about 10 of them down here.
He doesn't feel a meat of it.
This spot right here, we've come up one of the arms to the left, I think. And there's like so many here. And then there's like a school of like 10 of them. And No, he's only like 80. But they were all just there, and then one finally took it. Gonna step back here. Yeah, Dad just got one, 67 centimeters. There's a school of about 10 of them down there. There's a bunch, and it's a nice smaller one, red mouth in him. Just on that redfin Molex lure, 67 centimeters. We'll get him back. Right in the trees. Oh, just as Dad's getting snagged. No, just another little one. Here we go, got a third one for the morning, doing alright. All 60s, 64. Just in that tree there, Dad was snagged and I saw him and cast that at him. We've been chasing a few in there and finally got him to eat, so get him back. Got him. Yes. I've got this one on the screen record on the screen too, so I'll put that in. You should see it. There was like 5 of them there. He's a bit bigger, this one. There's a lot here. Oh. Should look good. Other way, other way. Left. Left. No. It's alright, get the net. Oh. Here we go, 4th one for the morning. Got it on the live scope screen, so I should put that in. 65, there was like 5 of them together, and we'll get him back. Got him. Oh, he hit that really hard. He hit that hard. Ah, got him. Good one. No, no, no. Oh. Well, that was a pretty good morning. We got 4 fish. I got 3. 61, 64 and 65, and Dad got the 67. Just all on these trees here. Just the left arm, I don't really know what it's called, but Dad just lost his back hook on that. He had a fish on and it came off. Don't know, like they had a split ring on it too and still came off, so that's a bit odd. But I was using that one all morning. Dad was using that, but he got the other one on the red fin, and that's what I was using. So we'll go back, have lunch, and then go out in the afternoon. Okay, it's the morning now. We got nothing last night. A little bit windy here. We're at the trees, just trolling around till we find one, and then we'll have a shot at it. But Dad had to follow all the way to the boat, and then it turned off. But that's it for last night. There was about 5 other boats here. We stayed out till about 8:30. It was dark, so yeah, we tried something different. But here now, early again, 5 o'clock. We'll see what we get. Just found a lure on this tree here. Dad got snagged, and then we saw it and got it, picked it up, reached my hand in. It's a nice, good one. We might use it. Didn't even see that one. Did not even see that one. Came off. Got him, Dad. Got him. Got him. Ow! Well, we've been chasing a few for a while. I had one come off. Now Dad's finally got one. There's a lot on the trees here. Last night there was not many. Dad got the first one for the morning. I had one come off. And there you got 163. Look, just a little one, nice golden dark. We'll get him back. Oh, he took it. It didn't hook up. Alright, about to head back. Just one this morning for Dad, and I missed one, and Dad had one also come up to the boat. I don't know if we'll get it on the GoPro, but we could see the fish and it took it and then just didn't hook up. So that was pretty cool. I'll see if it comes up on the GoPro, but not windy today, so yeah, we'll go back now. We're gonna go into town and then come back out tonight. Got him on the drop. Oh my god, what? Did not even, that was blind cast. On the drop, that's... Oh, he's a catfish, that's why. Okay, we're just about to head back. Sun's just going down over the hills there. Nothing tonight. I got that one catfish, but no barra. He got it on the drop, and I thought it was a barra, then got it up, and it wasn't. But yeah, super slow, and didn't really see many. Windy, so it wasn't that good tonight. But we'll go out in the morning and see how we go. Yeah, just a little one again. Ugh. tree. It's been out for a while, it's been raining, and there's a few there. Just look at that. This one loves to jump. 5 jumps. I reckon he's torn my leader up too. Alright, we got the first one for the morning. Been out for a while, it's been raining and stuff, but there was a few on this tree. A few of his mates there, and he got him. This one's jumped a lot. He took it all the way in there. He had something else in there. It came out. I reckon it was a crab or something. I don't know. Something. You could see it in there. But 67. We're going to keep this one. So, yeah. Alright, so we're just about to head out now. It's the afternoon. Just put the boat in. So the fish I caught today, this morning, was actually had a tag in it. And we called it in, and that fish was 3 years old. They released it in the exact same spot. They said it hasn't traveled at all when it was 18 centimeters, and now it was 67. So it's about 3 years old, that fish. So it's grown about 50 centimeters in 2 years. So that's pretty cool to know. And there's a few others tagged in here. There's ones that are worth money, but our one was not. But that's pretty cool to know. And we also went to the hatchery today, or whatever it's called. And there's a bunch of big barra they have there, like this tank with like 10 meters in there, like albino ones and orange ones, and yeah, I've never seen that, but it's pretty cool. And they've got other fish there and a bunch of little ones, so I'm gonna have another look tomorrow there. But yeah, we'll go out now and see where we go. Another slow night, a little bit windy. We're gonna go back early. The sun's just gone over the hills. We've had a few follows, a few around, but they're all deep, super hard to get, not going for anything. So go out tomorrow morning, last morning tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Oh no! There he is again. Look at him. Ah, you see that, Dad? Oh, that was that. Oh, that's good. Look at him, he's right there. He had a second go at it. No, it came out. Oh, it's because it was like that. That was at the surface. It was like this though, so it didn't hook properly. You're at the bottom. You're on, Dad. You're on. What is it?
It's a barra. I think. Do you want to get away from the spring? There's a stump there. Catfish.
First one to stay hooked up. We've both had 2 come off, and Dad got one. There's like 5 of them down there, but it was a catfish, so just pricked him, but chuck it back. Alright, well that's our time here done. Lake Awoonga, big lake. So a few tips, it's a big lake. We've come up this arm here. So we were mostly up this end here, Inverrag Creek, I think you say it. A lot of trees out here in the open, in the main bit, all over there near the boat ramp. There's not much. We found one spot around the corner, but yeah, not much there. We found you got to go a lot slower with them here. Lake Mondrid, you'd speed up and they'd take it. Here it was just slower, and there's a lot of smaller ones here. We didn't get one over 70, so yeah. And there's schooling up. There's a few in the schools, and then they would eat like that. There's a lot down low, weren't many up high. Lake Mondrid, they were all up high, they were eating. Here they're down low. Just the same lures pretty much. I was using that one. Dad's using just mollusk ones, redfin colour ones, just that one. And yeah, so we found the bite times are a lot different here. I think it was more at night. They're either on or they're off. When we got here this morning, they were like just on, and I think we just missed it. So I think it's more night time here too. So that's about it pretty much. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. We're going to Bundy next, and yeah, see you there.